Ed and I were in Washington with Watermark trying to decide whether we would do another project together. I said, what about the Anthropocene? It is a word that most people have no idea what it means.
And at first I thought, oh, it's a tough word, and is anybody going to get it? But we decided that, even with all the risks inherent of going for a challenging word that's largely used in science, we thought, oh, let's do it.
It's the name that a group of scientists are trying to give our current geological epoch, officially change it, because it's humans more than the meteor or the ice age or things that in the past have defined the geological timescale. Right now it's humans that are having the biggest effect.
Together we researched for a year and a half before we even started to shoot, before we started taking photographs, before we started creating the VR and the AR.
I was always trying to go from like an idea, whether it's a quarry or a mine, and I'd say, okay, well, how do I get from a general idea of wanting to do something to the specific place? And one of the, I think, defining things that I've always tried to use within my work is let's look for the biggest examples. But the difference with Anthropocene is that the three of us as collaborators all decided.
It's amazing now, between Google Earth and the research that you can do even from a distance, we're able to pretty much satisfy ourselves that a place is going to be worth visiting, and we have to, because often we're traveling with a big crew.
Being in the old growth forests of British Columbia, where I grew up, was intensely beautiful and also extremely sad to know that less than 10% of old growth forest is left on Vancouver Island and that we're still logging.
I'm hoping that there really is a moment of reflection and meditation on the effects that humans are having on the planet, and not in a kind of an environmental accusatory way, but in a way that lets us step back and contemplate the bigger picture.